Mallory with Emily's Papercrafts. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today we are going to create a very fast and easy origami flying cricket. Let's get started. So we're going to start with a 3-inch square piece of paper, or roughly 3 inches, with the colored side down and the white side, or the side that you don't want to see when you're all finished, facing up. We're going to take the bottom corner and fold it to the top to make a triangle. Now we're going to take each one of the side points and fold them to the top to create a square. Precision does not matter a ton with this particular project just because it's very, very forgiving. All right, we're almost there. So now on the back side of this piece of paper, we need to put a fold that mirrors or is exactly the same as this sort of open fold right here. So don't let it confuse you. So I'm going to flip it so it's this way first, and then I'm going to turn it on its side where there is no fold to put a fold. So I'm creating a triangle that's all pointed at one side and the other side wants to spring up. So next, this will be the cricket's nose, and back here will be sort of like its back wings, if you would. And we're going to take this top flap of paper and we're going to fold it, not all the way. It does not necessarily need to be straight across. It can be angled a little bit one way or the other. And then we're going to turn it over and do the exact same fold. I'm just matching up the triangles so they meet, and you have a finished cricket. So to make your cricket go flying, you're going to stand it up. So those two folds that we just did last are now pointing up. On the nose, you're going to push down really fast. Back here are the wings. And there goes your flying cricket. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you next time.